Welcome back to my channel, y'all, and we are still celebrating Brenner this week, and our second recipe is the best deep fried pancake dippers, y'all. And these are absolutely amazing, y'all. They're so simple, but they are so tasty and delicious. I'm talking that pillowy pancake batter and a little crispy outside, and so good, y'all. Let's go. So I'm starting with my favorite Jimmy Dean. Oh man, that's my homie. And then some frozen sausage, 1 egg, some whole milk, and then I am using brandy, but you can use vanilla. And then I also have some vegetable oil and complete pancake mix. So any complete pancake mix will work. So I'm going to start on my batter. My links are already thawed. We're going to cook them again. So it's always best to get this kind. If you do raw, I would tell you to cook it ahead of time. So I'm just going to mix up my batter, and while I do that, use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, of course. And thank y'all so much to those who have already subscribed and are watching the full video, I hope, and giving this video a thumbs up because it's so good, y'all. And shout out to my fellow creators. So I added my brandy. You can add as much brandy as you would like depending on your audience, but you know. So into the batter, I'm going to throw in the thawed out sausage links, and then I am just going to coat those and then tap them to get rid of the excess batter like so, and then into the grease. So I did turn them forward. I just do top side down just to set the top first, and that's going to help give you a smooth top. Now you will have some little crispies on the side, but you can just remove those once they have been taken out of the fryer. So they should be golden brown, and you want to make sure that your dough is done. So once they are, they should look like so. I mean, y'all, they look so good. And this was a starter to my Brenner So Good breakfast for dinner. I mean, this is a tradition at my house, and oh man, what a way to start it. Hold on, let me let you get your bite. There you go, baby. So good. And watch this, you guys. Look at that. Pancakes, sausage in one bite. Easy, y'all. So good. Hope you guys try this recipe out and hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.